koutou, ko talia, ahau. I am Talia.
And more are today, WINTON School, ko Hunter, ahau. I am Hunter. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 8th of March.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is heke, which is te reo for fall or descend.
As in heke, which is te reo for get down.
Let's talk about book fair, koutou.
Bring your cash, buy up large, open every day this week until after school, and guess what?
What?
There's a colouring in competition for everyone.
Get your forms from the office.
And Friday is dress up day, and the theme is monsters.
I want to suck your blood.
Yeah, okay. On to the health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is very high, from 1 until 3.
And wear your potae to stay sunsmart from 10:30, koutou. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime.
Birthday news. Brody Mickelrick turns 5 today, and he has his first official day in room 1.
He has big sister Charlotte in room 5. Welcome to WINTON School, Brody.
And of course, happy birthday. Have a great birthday and first day at school.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, WINTON School.